Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make mutton dum biryani in a pressure cooker. So let's get started with the recipe. Take 750 grams mutton with bone. For marination, add half teaspoon turmeric powder, salt, 2 tablespoons chilli powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1 cup curd, handful of fresh mint leaves, handful of chopped coriander, 6 green chillies slit. Mix everything together until well combined and marinate the mutton for minimum 2 hours. For the biryani gravy, in a pressure cooker, heat 1/4 cup oil, 1 tablespoon ghee on medium flame, then add 1 teaspoon Shahi Jeera, 8 green cardamom pods, 2-inch cinnamon sticks and give them a mix. Then add in 3 large onions sliced. Stir and cook them on medium flame until nice golden in color. Then add in the marinated mutton. Give them a mix and cook them on high flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1 cup water with the remaining marination. Mix everything together and cook for another 5 minutes. And pressure cook on medium flame for 4 to 5 whistles. Once the pressure is down, open the lid. The mutton is nicely cooked. Turn on the flame and cook the gravy on high flame for 2 minutes to thicken the gravy, and the gravy is ready. And for the biryani rice, add 7 cups of water and bring them to boil. Then add 2 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons oil and 3 cups of rice soaked for 30 minutes. Give them a mix and cook the rice until 80% done. It takes around 10 minutes. Now it's time to assemble everything for dum. In a pressure cooker, spread the mutton gravy evenly. Then strain the 90% cooked rice and layer it over the mutton gravy. Spread the rice evenly. Be careful, the rice should not break. Then add mint leaves, chopped coriander, saffron milk, ghee, and fried onion. Close the lid, keep the pressure and cook on low flame for 15 minutes. Then turn off the flame and let it set for another 15 minutes. And the mutton dum biryani is ready to serve. Do give this recipe a try and share your pictures with me on Instagram. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.